Happy Thursday. Yeah! Yes! It's a beautiful Thursday. Ilanga, labomama, bomthandazo. A day for women to pray in South Africa. Even where you are, you can make it to be a day to pray. If you are watching on YouTube, please press that subscribe button, hit the like button. If you're on TikTok, do the same. Press the follow button and the like button. Yebo! Yes! So, my question for you today is, do you want to be blessed? Do you really want to be blessed? Do you want God's blessings upon your life? Do you want them? Do you want them? Come closer. Come closer. Yes, I'm asking you. Do you want to be blessed? Do you want to be blessed? The Bible tells us, let's read in the book of Psalms, chapter number 1, verse number 1. Amen. It says, blessed is the man. So now the Bible is telling us about a man that is blessed. It's saying, blessed is the man who walks not in the counsel of the wicked, nor stands in the way of sinners, nor sits in the seat of scoffers. So it's speaking about a man that is blessed. And the Bible is giving us assurance. The Bible is saying, here is a stamp, here is a conclusion. This man is blessed. Blessed is the man who walks not in the counsel of the wicked, nor stands in the way of sinners, nor sits in the seat of scoffers. So if you want to be blessed, Mtanasekaya, do not walk in the way of sinners. Don't even stand there. Then you won't be blessed. But if you are blessed, it means you do not take their advice. You do not sit with them. You don't do things. That's where you are going to get your blessing. Blessed is the man who walks not in the counsel of the wicked. Just taking their advice, it taints you, it blemishes you, it makes you to become like the wicked. So you are blessed. You are blessed when you walk not in the counsel of the wicked. So that's what I want to say to you, as it is ilanga, labomama, bomthandazo, a day for women to pray. Just stand in the way of the Lord. Stand in godliness. Walk in the way of the Lord. You will be like a tree or a plant that has been planted by the rivers of water. It will always bring green leaves, whether it's winter, whether it's summer, autumn, whatever season it may be, because you are rooted and grounded in the Lord. Blessed is the man who walks not in the counsel of the wicked. You are blessed as long as you walk not in the counsel of the wicked. I just wanted to say to you that, do you want to be blessed? Do you really want God's blessings to be upon your life? Walk not in the counsel of the wicked. Poetess Mbali Shabangu, signing out.